This area of your task grid is referred to as the task column header. You have control over what sort of information is provided within the header. This particular example has the task name, task date, report period, unit name, category name, task class average, and grade entry informations all present. You could reduce this to as little as the task name and grade entry, or any combination of those two plus any of the other options. Task name and grade entry are default. They must be there. If you would like to change the contents of your task column header, you will need to go to your page setup. Then from there you'll need to choose the Preferences link. That will open your Gradebook Preferences window for you, and then from that choose the Task Grid tab. It is here that you can make your changes. You'll see that task name is grayed out. You can't change that, as is grade entry. Those two must be there. They are default values. But task date, report period, unit name, category name, and task class average may all be turned on or off. I'm just going to turn them all off so we can see the difference between the two. Like all of our other windows, we have the option of submitting to save the changes, clicking reset to clear what we've done and allow us to do it again, or click close to close this window without saving the changes. Well, I'd like to save those changes, so I'm clicking on submit. And now that I've done that, I'll click close, and we'll go back to the task grid. And now in the task column header, you'll see we have only the task name and grade entry. The other bits of data have been removed. We also have the ability to hide or display the report period, class average, or the grade to date. And those can be done in the same fashion. We would go to the page setup, choose Preferences. This opens the Gradebook Preferences for you. Choose the Task Grid tab, and report period, class average, and grade to date can be enabled or disabled here. So for demonstration, I'll disable the pair of them. I'll click Submit, then Close. I'm going to return to the Gradebook. Here we are on the task grid, and you can see now in the area where the report period, class average, and the grade to date were, that area is now blank.